James Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're tying up a brand new Gucci tie that I got in a couple weeks ago. Excuse me. It's a really pretty purple tie with the Gucci logo throughout the whole thing, creating kind of like a diamond shaped pattern. There will be close-ups on my Instagram of this. I saw this tie, I just fell in love with it and thought I have to have it. So let me get this tag off of here and we will do the review real quick. I have a few Gucci ties and I really like them. You know, Gucci of course is very iconic when it comes to fashion, but they actually do make a good product, especially in their ties. I've got some Gucci shoes that look great, maybe not as comfortable as some other brands, but they got that great look to them. That's a lot of what Gucci's about. But their ties do tie a really nice knot, typically. My others do at least. So this one is a little bit wider than some of the Gucci. Some of the Gucci's are a little bit thinner of a tie, but I just absolutely love the look. As far as the review goes, obviously the silk lays absolutely perfect. It's a thin tie, not super thick, maybe thin to medium I would call it. Really nice soft silk. Gucci puts a very long tag on the back of their ties, so if you see us flapping around the back, that's what that is, and I'm just going to leave it on there. I don't like to cut that stuff off and maybe mess up the silk or something like that. So let's tie it up, see how it comes together. I'm actually looking forward to tying this tie. I wanted to tie it for the last couple of weeks, but I wanted to save it for a video. So I've got some meetings today, and I thought this purple tie looked really nice for those meetings. I'm going to find my spot here. Because it's not a super thick tie, it's probably going to be right around this range here. Let's come in close. We'll tie it up. Take the long part of the tie, over top of the short part of the tie, around back, behind, up, and through the middle. Then we take it around behind again, holding everything nice and tight, up and over, down and through. Now I'll call this a checkpoint. We want to make sure our knots come together real nice, and where this is really going to tie a nice tight knot, it looks like. Then we come over top again, back behind, up and through, and then we've created this little pocket. We're going to push the tie down, hold the top of the pocket, and pull the tie down through it. Okay. Now we're going to make our final adjustments. We're going to turn this in. We're going to hold onto the knot and pull on the long part of the tie to tighten up the knot. We've got a perfect triangle coming together there. That's the way I like it. Now the tip of the tie, that's this part right here, should come between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle, somewhere between the top and the bottom. And right now it is right about halfway, absolutely perfect. I got it first try. Really happy about that with a new tie. Pull the collar down. Let's see how this all comes together here. We'll tidy everything up just a little bit here. I like to have as little space here as possible, so we're going to tie this up here and tighten the knot just a little bit. Wow, that can get a nice look at that. Perfect little triangle, symmetrical, everything looks good. We're going to tuck the back of the tie in. Now the look will start scrolling across the bottom of your screen, and I'm going to go through it with you right now. Today we are wearing an Navy Zegna blue suit, a navy blue suit. We're going with navy blue today. It's got a navy blue suit. We're in a white Brooks Brothers shirt, wearing a purple Gucci tie with the Gucci logo all through the tie, creating a diamond pattern. Today we're going with a dressy brown, shiny brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a gold belt buckle, and we're pairing that with a beautiful pair of Bally Oxford shoes. On my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you'll see close-ups of the belt with the shoes, close-ups of the tie so you can see the pattern and texture of the tie, selfies of me, as well as close-ups of the knot and the entire outfit and everything else. So check out my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers. Click subscribe and like if you enjoyed my videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and I am ready for work.